Will you be serious? I want you to look after Polly for me when I'm gone. Now she'll never know I really loved her all the time.
Oh, Larry, you've made me so happy.
So moving these last words he spoke, we all vented our tears in a shower. For my part I thought my heart broke, for to see him cut down like a flower.
Is there any kind soul here present that'll take pity on a thirsty man?
I thought you might need some, Larry.
Thanks, me old flower. It'll be a long time before they get another one. Of all the money that ever I had, I spent it in good company. And of all the harm that ever I did, alas, it was to none but me. And all I've done for a want of wit, to memory now I can't recall. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all.
When he came to the Norman Cheat, he was tucked up so neat and so pretty. The rumbler jogged off his feet, and he died with his face to the city. He kicked too, but that was all pride, for soon you might see 'twas all over. Soon after the noose was untied, and at darky we waked him in clover, and sent him to take his ground sweat.
when Polly she heard the sad story that Larry her boy was no more, she blustered in such a flurry and vented her grief in a roar. May the devil take judges and all, and soon sweep the jury away, that have left poor Polly to bawl and buried poor Larry in clay. Because why, he hadn't a chink. But when the dark night did appear and Polly to bed she did go, poor thing, she was frightened with fear, for Larry came in white as snow. Says he first to Paul in a minute, bring Larry a sup of the bottle, for he drank every drop that was in it, and said it would supple his throttle, for he could get none where he lodged. Poor Polly was vexed to the soul when she heard the sad story relate, and roared much upon him and jowl, but all could not alter his fate. Now as soon as the daylight appears, the ghost it did scamper away, and left poor Polly in tears, that Larry her boy could not stay, to soften the cares of her life.
Now, gents, if you please. Time now, please. Now, ladies, gents, if you please. All right.
We play the way